Dr. Kiran Kelkar, team of InVideo. Today we are gathered here to conduct a workshop. So this is all because of my friend InVideo, who is in charge heading victim assistance unit, having office at GMC. So today his entire team will be delivering a talk on the various topics, and then afterwards the after awareness session there is a special self-defense skills, especially for the ladies, which is a much required for the girl student. So Dr. Kelkar will be delivering the self-defense, the workshop. So please be attentive. So first please be attentive. The session will continue for 1 hour. We will not take much time because I have been told by the sister that your recess timing is around 11:30. So we'll make sure that you will be free before much in time, before 11:30. So till then, please bear us and be concentrated and see the slides and take the good thing from that and learn something.
Y'all are completely under parental control till y'all are 18 years. It's very simple. Parents can straight away come to police station and say, my child is not listening to me. Then you know what the police officer will do? Just send a vehicle, pick you all up and put you all in an institution known as Apnagar. Okay? Remember, you all are...
It's there in our mind that boys don't get abused, women are never the abusers, only stranger is danger. Strangers only danger.
Now I'm free. Either this or one, bend and
program was conducted for our students by Scan-Goa, coordinated by Vijay Rane, a police inspector from Kulwale police station, along with JK Goa, senior instructor Dr. Kiran Kelkar. The program was very beneficial for all our students. The program was organized on bringing awareness to our students on various issues that they face as adolescents. The girl students also were given a lot of activities on self-defense to protect themselves against various types of violences that they face. We thank this team for organizing this program in our school, and our students have benefited a lot.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.